Hi, first grade friends. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Today, we will be filling in missing sounds to match the picture. Our first picture is a picture of ham. Ham. H-A-M. Ham. The first sound I'm going to write is H. Our short vowel A that says A is already there. And our final sound is ham. Our next picture is a van. V-A-N. Van. You can see we have our middle sound A, but our first sound is V. 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 A-N. Van. Our next picture is of a cab. K-A-B. Cab. Here's my C that says K. A is already there for us, and B is at the end. Cab. Our next picture is of a bag. B-A-G. Bag. First sound, B. Middle sound, A. Final sound, G. Bag. Our next picture, the arrow is pointing to the mat. At. Mat. First sound, Middle sound, A. Final sound, T. Mat. Our next picture, you can see a girl on the couch and she's taking a nap. A. P. Nap. First sound, Middle sound, A. Final sound, P. Nap. P is that final sound, P. Our next picture is of gas. G-A-S. Gas. First sound, G. G. Middle sound, A. Final sound, S. S. Gas. Last picture is a picture of a pan. P-A-N. P. Middle sound, A. Final sound, Pan. Way to go. Okay, boys and girls, in our picture, we have hidden words. So we are going to find the words that are hidden in the picture and then write the words on the line as we find them. So I can see a word right here in the corner of the whiteboard. That word is fat. Please write fat. F-A-T. Fat. I can see another word right here on the whiteboard. Please circle the word. And the word is nap. Nap. Oh, here on the desk, please circle it. I see tan. Please write tan. Tan. here underneath the picture of the flower is the word at. Please write at. 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 So on the other desk, I found a word right here. Please circle that word. The word is tap. A, p, tap. The word up here above our alphabet, the letter J. Circle that word. That word is an. A, n, an. A, n, an. Oh, I see word right over here trying to hide. That is the word ran. R, a, n, ran. Please write ran. On the floor, I see a word. The word is pan. P, a, n. Please write pan. P, a, n. Pan. Up here above the tree on the wall, I see another word. The word is pat. P, a, t. Pat. P, a, t. Pat. And our very last word here on the bookshelf is the word fan. F, a, n. Fan. Fan. Way to go, boys and girls. You did great.